Meaning of inability.
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 Inability. The word inability refers to the lack of ability or capacity to do something. It describes a state where an individual or entity is unable to perform a specific task or achieve a particular goal due to various reasons. The inability may arise from physical, mental, emotional, or external factors such as lack of resources or support. This condition can be frustrating and demotivating for those affected, leading to a sense of helplessness and low self-esteem. However, it is important to acknowledge and work on areas of weakness to overcome the feeling of inability and improve oneself.